see here, thermometer. By using thermometer, we get the high temperature and low temperatures. Okay, so here mainly this in the water, in the bucket, ice, glass of cold water, warm bath water. If you take this one and then if you see this temperatures, there will be lot of difference. Okay, చాలా difference గా ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట temperatures. So next yes, if you see here, so just it is given work for you, just like a project work. So you have to mention the date, next guess the temperature and measurement. So what will be the guessing temperature and what will be the measurement? So like that we can fill this table afterwards. Okay, so next just we move forward. Next see here, high and low temperatures. So as I said now, so that is the temperatures are calculated based on two things. One is high temperature, next low temperature. That means high means it is called as maximum temperature and it is called as minimum temperature. Okay, maximum temperatures and minimum temperatures. So on taking this average temperatures, we are going to tell the temperature of a particular place. Example, if you see in the news, what they are going to tell means, so how much temperatures will be there. So మనకి చెప్తూ ఉంటారు గరిష్ట ఉష్ణోగ్రత, కనిష్ట ఉష్ణోగ్రత అని చెప్తుంటారు. ఉష్ణోగ్రత అంటే ఏంటి, మనకి టెంపరేచర్ అన్నమాట. గరిష్ట అంటే ఎక్కువ, హై టెంపరేచర్స్ ఆర్ మాక్సిమం టెంపరేచర్స్. గరిష్ట ఉష్ణోగ్రత, కనిష్ట ఉష్ణోగ్రత. గరిష్ట అంటే ఏంది, కనిష్ట ఉష్ణోగ్రత అంటే ఏంది, మినిమం టెంపరేచర్స్. ఓకే, వీటిని రెండు బేస్ చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు యావరేజ్ తో చెప్తారు అనమాట. మన కర్నూలులో సపరేట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కర్నూలు ఆర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైక్ బనానపల్లి ఆర్ ఎనీ నంద్యాల్, ఆదోని, like that. If you take anyone, so how much temperature will be there means for a particular place means they will take first minimum temperature and maximum temperature. So here it is given. So month it is given for 1 year, maximum temperature and minimum temperature. మనకి జనవరి మంత్ లో మాక్సిమం టెంపరేచర్ ఎంత, 28 degrees, మినిమం టెంపరేచర్ 16 degrees. కానీ దీని మధ్యలో వచ్చే మనకి యావరేజే మనం ఇంత టెంపరేచర్ ఉందని చెప్తాం. ఓకే, దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ దిస్ యావరేజ్ బిట్వీన్ మాక్సిమం టెంపరేచర్ అండ్ మినిమం టెంపరేచర్స్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద టెంపరేచర్స్. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో ఇస్ దేర్. సో రిగార్డింగ్ టెంపరేచర్స్, సో దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్లాట్ ఎ గ్రాఫ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ మంత్ and here, so these are the degrees. So see here, in the month of January, how many degrees are there, minimum temperature. It is given that if it is having this kind of symbol, that is minimum temperature, so this is called as minimum temperatures. Next, this is maximum temperature. In between this one, here we can see this is called as the mean temperature or average temperatures. Okay, so here also it is given that. So temperature line can be seen like this. This is minus degrees, 0 degrees, this is plus degrees. So if you have this scale means temperature scale, so 0 will be there, next minus, so upper one can be seen as plus and downward can be seen as minus degrees. So like that. Okay, so in this way they are going to calculate the temperatures. Okay, so next just to move forward. So here it is there, factors influencing temperature. What are the factors influencing temperature means mainly here. So here is it. Okay, just to move forward. Yes, what are the factors influencing temperature? So there will be they may ask a separate question. So what are the factors means, so different places have different temperatures. So all the places doesn't have equal temperatures. Same temperatures cannot be seen in all the places. Just only some places have some different temperatures. Okay, so that's why we can see that temperature will not be the same at all places. So example here, so places near and far from the sea have different temperatures. So this is one of the factor, and this is also one of the factor. So what is the factor here means? So whatever the places very near to sea, example India is there. So here is there one place, Vishakhapatnam is there. Here also Nagpur was there. So Vishakhapatnam is having less temperature when compared to Nagpur. Nagpur is having high temperature because it is far away from sea. So the places near and far from the sea have different temperatures. So this is also one of the other factor. So the distance from the sea also is the one of the factor that varies temperature. Okay. So here also given that. So average temperature for Panaji. So Panaji is present is the capital of Goa. So Goa is very nearer to sea. So they are having very less temperatures. So if you see just maximum temperature, maximum temperature is only just to 30 degrees. Minimum temperature is only just to 19 degrees. But if you take the other places like Hyderabad like that, maximum temperature is very high and minimum temperature also very high. So that shows that the distance from the sea is also factor influencing the climate, influencing the temperature. Okay. So here also it is given that average temperature of Panaji. So this is given the graph that is the maximum temperature and minimum temperature. So here always if you want to tell the temperature of any place means we require first minimum temperature, next maximum temperature. Okay, maximum temperature is like this. In the months, that is January month, the maximum temperature is this one, and in the January month the minimum temperature is this one. Next in the month of February, so minimum temperature, maximum temperature, like that. If you see this middle one, the gap, that is called as average temperature or mean temperature. So this is the temperature of particular place. Okay. So next to see here, moderate and extreme climates. So mainly this kind of extreme climates can be seen at the deserts. Extreme climates can be seen in the deserts and also the equatorial places. Equatorial places means the places which are present around this equator. Okay, so this shows that moderate and extreme climates. So we already discussed this one. Suppose if the earth is like this, so in the 0 degrees we have the high temperatures and low temperatures, like that. Okay, so just to move forward. Next to see here, so inversion temperature. So okay, last one topic is this is the inversion of temperature. Okay, so up to here today it is enough. Okay, if you tell total at a time means you will be confusing. Okay, so just up to here today it is enough for you. So